Fairly quiet weekend, and we're going to start the week off in much the same fashion. You can see downtown Lexington and very little to show this morning. In fact, we've got some pockets of colder air where there may be some patchy frost, but beyond that, your max track is clear. A lot of the active weather is out of the Commonwealth. We've got coastal showers and storms. We've got a stalled front south. It's been a real soaker across the deep south. You can see those ongoing showers and thunder showers down there. And high pressure ridging in across the Ohio Valley means we're in pretty good shape. That big winter storm wound down, and they've got a heck of a lot of snow up over North Dakota. Satellite analysis shows anywhere between a foot to 2 feet of snow and isolated pockets of even heavier amounts right up in that area where we had bullseye at the end of last week for that blizzard and, of course, the heaviest snow accumulation. So they got hammered. Here we are, with a front washing out, high pressure ridging in, and about the best place you can expect to be for a Monday. Your Columbus Day forecast is going to be nice. Tomorrow, warm front lifts north. We'll get a nice warm surge out of that. And then following it up by Wednesday, this cold front tracks in. This is going to give us our next chance for active weather. The timing is good because a lot of it will be overnight. And we've got a pretty good chance to get some showers and thunder showers rolling. Hopefully a chance to get wet, which we really need to combat the ongoing drought. A lot of it will go through and be done by Wednesday late in the morning and into the afternoon, so an overnight passage of that next chance for rain. We've got a chill in the air, a split temperature-wise. We're in the 40s in the Bluegrass. It's still 50 in Richmond. You get down into our southern counties, though, mid to upper 30s, Monticello and Somerset. Harlan's in the upper 30s, so some patchy frost into our southern counties a possibility. And temperatures for today should be in the upper 60s to low 70s. So yeah, the ups and downs continue. We'll bump into the mid 70s, and then that round of showers hits, cold front comes through, and we're going to be mired in the upper 50s, and then eventually warm it back up again into the upcoming weekend. So for today, for your Columbus Day, sunny and spectacular. We've got a west wind. We've got an average high of 68. We're going to hit a high in the upper 60s, so we're right around it, maybe slightly above it. A record high of 86 set back in the late 1800s. That one's not in jeopardy today. Beautiful day, really. Mid-40s clear and chilly tonight. The wind straight out of the south, so we'll be able to stay away from any kind of patchy frost potential. Some of our outlying areas, Monticello down south, you may briefly dip into the upper 30s tomorrow morning. And the warming trend continues. Now that warm front lifts north Tuesday, and we'll jump mid-70s here, some mid to upper 70s into our southern counties. And then you can see the cool down on the back end of that. Highs will fall to the upper 50s, probably stay there for a couple of days before we start the warming trend again. So it's that, rinse and repeat pattern that we're used to this time of the year. We'll jump back into the 70s this weekend. Next chance for rain if you don't see much Tuesday night, Wednesday. It looks like we're going to hold it off till late in the upcoming weekend.